Okay, I have to ask my data, my information to be refined by my assistant AI. Can you please tell what you tell me before about my strategy, my plan setup, about to to do the position?
Sure. Here's the refined explanation of your strategy and plan setup that I provided earlier. I want to explain why, how, and when I take action on a particular price level. This is a major part of my strategy, and understanding these factors is essential to my setup. First, I need to ask myself, why am I testing this level? I'm looking for confirmation that this level aligns with my analysis and could offer a good entry point. Then I focus on how to test it. I use techniques like test one, test two, observing price action to identify the strength of the move. Finally, the timing matters. When do I execute this? It's about waiting for the right moment, usually during active market hours when I know the liquidity is high and the probability of success is greater. This method is part of my disciplined approach to trading, ensuring I stay in sync with the market's rhythm and not forcing any trades. Let me know if you want any adjustments or additional details for your setup.
Thank you. Now I'm on the 1 hour Bitcoin, and the price that I
You're
see,
welcome.
the
Now
price,
that you're on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart,
yeah.
what specific aspect of the price action are you focusing on? Are you
Now,
analyzing key levels, waiting for a test, or looking for something else to guide your next move?
key level is 99101 is the lowest key level that the touching and reverse or pull back for the seller to get in, for those one who cannot get in before, because the long red candle keep no chance. It's just whipping down, no chance to test or anything, and then touch this level that I just said, and then the buyer coming back and push the price back to the 50%, and then go up again, swing up and test the guy who started, the seller who being up there, and fight it for a while into sideways market, and then move down, pulling back and to pick up those who cannot get in, for the buyer say don't leave without me, and then they get this pick up, and this the buyer trying to get through this level of what a range. They fight a bit. In 2 days they've been hanging around here, and today is continue to challenge to get the V formation first level to test the guy who's starting it, and they are now show the sign of struggling of the seller, and the seller is not there yet. Where are you? Are you gonna coming back to help me? Because I jump in right here at the moment that I thought this price I would take it. I will not take it so far down. I just take it to somewhere near, and because I know that I'm trading against the trend, counter trend. That's what I said. Can you refine me that what I just said, please?
Absolutely. Here's a refined version of what you just said. The key level I'm focusing on is 99101, which represents a strong support zone where price previously reversed or pulled back. Sellers initially pushed the price down sharply with long red candles, not giving buyers a chance to enter. However, once the price touched this key level, buyers returned and pushed the price back to the 50% retracement level before continuing to swing upwards. This move tested the sellers who had previously dominated the market, creating a sideways range. Over the next few days, the market continued to move sideways as buyers and sellers fought for control. Today, we're seeing the price challenge this key level again, with signs that the sellers are struggling to maintain control. I've entered the market now, knowing that I'm trading against the trend, but I'm comfortable with this decision because I'm watching the price action closely. I'll take my position cautiously and aim to manage it until I see a clear sign of either a breakout or further consolidation. Let me know if this captures your thoughts well.
Thank you very much. That's what I want. And here, I will go down to the 15 minutes because I know the seller coming back or not is from these candles. And this candle coming like a big force against this buyer who trying to push to this level. And now they're coming down and will touch my taking profit or not, because my taking profit is so tight, and I will see accordingly if I want to move my taking profit further away according to the 5 minutes time frame. And now I will see them more clearly, more microscopic. I can even go to 1 minute, but I wait for that. Please refine my word for me, please, what I just said.
You're welcome. Here's the refined version of your latest explanation. Now I'm switching to the 15-minute chart because I want to monitor if the sellers are truly returning. The recent candles show a strong push from the sellers against the buyers who were trying to drive the price higher to this level. The price is now pulling back, and I'm watching closely to see if it will hit my tight take profit level. If it does, that's great, but if it doesn't, I'll need to decide whether to adjust my take profit based on the movement. I'll switch to the 5-minute chart for a more detailed view, possibly even the 1-minute chart, to fine-tune my exit strategy. I'll be patient and wait to see how the price reacts to this key level and whether it continues to move in my favor. Does that sound more aligned with what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Let me know if you'd like further tweaks.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Now, the seller moved down, pushed the price down.
Great.
To
It sounds like
1-0.
you're continuing to monitor the market closely. What's happening with the sellers right now?
The seller moved
Are
the
you
price.
seeing more signs of their strength, or is the price moving in a way that suggests the buyers are gaining control? Let me know what you're observing, and I can help refine your thoughts further.
The buy bridge this key level, and the buy need to maintain this key level. That key level is 105470. That's the key level that fight now.
Got it. Here's a refined version of what you're saying. I believe the price will breach this key level at 105470, and it's crucial for the buyers to maintain control at this level. If the buyers can hold this level, it could signal continued upward momentum. I'm watching to see if the price can sustain above this level and push higher, or if the sellers will regain control and drive the price back down. Does this align with your current market view?
That's very good. And more, I want to look at the volume. The volume the volume here are very high according to before from the Asian market until the New York market, and now it's just heating up. And I look at my another indicator they call Stochastic, and it's overbought at 80%, and it crisscross and show me the side that it's time, it's overbought, it will go down. That's what I want to add up. Volume is important. Stochastic is important to looking for divergence, and so can you refine me that?
Absolutely. Here's a refined version of your additional thoughts. I'm also paying close attention to the volume, which has been unusually high compared to previous sessions, especially from the Asian market through to the New York market. It's now starting to heat up, suggesting increased market activity. Additionally, I'm monitoring the stochastic indicator, which is currently overbought at 80% and showing a cross. This suggests that the market may be reaching an overbought condition, and we could see a pullback or reversal soon. Volume and stochastic are both crucial indicators for me, as they help identify potential divergences and provide confirmation that the market might be ready for a correction. How does that sound now?
Sounds good. Now